everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Yes. Woo! So yesterday I said I was going to show today and be working on the sleeve because I would have worked on the ribbing last night, but for some reason I only got one row done, which was the color changing row, and that was it. So I spent the morning, because it's 2:41 right now, so I spent the morning doing the ribbing, and that's how it looks. So this is how the sweater looks right now. Ta-da! And now it's just time to bind off, but I have to go shopping, so I'm going to go shopping. I don't know if I'll get clips, but if I do, you'll just see it. If I don't, you won't see it. And then after I come back, I'll bind off. And after this clip, you'll see me working on the ribbing part, because I started recording before I did my intro, so you'll see that after this. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'll be showing for this video, so let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I just came from Panda and the store, but I got naked. I got naked and broccoli beef half and half. Yummy! I'm going to eat and then I'm going to return to bind off and then start on the sleeve. So let's get it. Late video. Okay guys, my sweater is almost done. I finished the ribbing, I bind it off, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I feel like my head was spinning. This is how it looks on me. My ribbing is kind of curly a little bit, so I'm going to block it. Sadly, I didn't want to, but I guess I will. But ta-da! This turned out better than I expected. This is really nice. I can't wait to add sleeves. Okay, now I'm going to take all this off and then get to the best part of the video, so let's get it. Okay guys, it is advent calendar time. Are you kidding me? Okay, it is advent calendar time, and you guys know it's a little spicy in here. You guys know yesterday threw us a curveball, because the day before yesterday was this color pink, and then yesterday was this color. So I think we're all collectively confused as to why that happened. So today we're going to be opening day 11, of course, and seeing if this will clear the confusion. Hopefully. Why is she laughing? I'm scared. Are you laughing at me? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to open it. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared for this time, because yesterday that shouldn't have been it. Okay, I'm opening. Okay, I guess. Okay, I can see.
What? Don't even try it.
She's trying to make sense of it.
So hard. Okay. I see nothing.
I'm trying. Okay. This isn't making sense. I'm sorry. It was really good. Day 1 through
9.
Day 1 through 9. Now I'm confused because this should have been yesterday's zone.
That's what I
and
said.
Then today's zone, and then yesterday's zone should have been today. Then it would have gone like this.
That's what
but
I was
it's
saying.
like this. I'm very confused as to how this makes sense. I do see how it can make sense, but it still doesn't clear any confusion. Like, I can't even guess what the next ones will be, because I didn't even think yesterday's zone would look like that. I thought it would look literally like this, but this is today's, so I don't know guys. I don't know. Let's just hope that tomorrow's zone makes more sense. I don't even know what color it will turn because I'm confused right now, but we'll just see tomorrow. But here's the close-up of this one. Let me get close for you guys to see. Come on, work with me. Okay, here it is. It's really pretty. It just doesn't make sense. And now I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see the fade that's going on. I don't even know if I should even call it a fade anymore because it's just being random, but here we go. So this is how everything looks so far. I was saying that this was yesterday's zone, this is today's. I was saying that it should have been like this. That would have made sense. But it's like this. Like, I literally don't understand why it would be this. But that's how it is. I'm really scared for tomorrow because I really hope it makes sense. That's all for this video. Very, very confusing Advent video. But thank you guys so much for watching. And since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one, which is tomorrow. Bye!